लिखे अभी?
Yes, start.
मैम लिखे नहीं है पूरा अभी।
कितना लिखे हो बोलो?
फर्स्ट वाला लिखा है।
Good morning, everyone. Myself Shivam Verma, and today I am here to share my experience about my 2021. About this year, and this year was not good for me because it starts with my accident on 8 January 2021. A road accident, bike accident, and that time वो जब मैंने एक्सीडेंट किया बाइक से गिरा मतलब 95 पे 100 की स्पीड में और हेलमेट टूट गया। मेरा चारों हाथ पैर पूरी तरह डैमेज था और फर्स्ट ऑफ फरवरी से मेरा 12 बोर्ड का एग्जाम था। देन सुबह का 6 बजे एक्सीडेंट हुआ था और ठंड बहुत ज्यादा थी। लगभग 25 मिनट्स में वही रोड पे गिरा हुआ रहा नेशनल हाईवे 31 पे। और उसके बाद 25 मिनट्स के बाद मैंने खुद से वहां कोई हेल्प के लिए भी नहीं पहुंचा। मैंने खुद से उठा, बाइक उठाया, घर गया, फर्स्ट एड लिया और खुद ही अपना सेल्फ ट्रीटमेंट करके आफ्टर दैट मतलब 20 डेज इन बिटवीन 20 डेज में ठीक हो गया, रिकवर कर गया। उसके बाद मैंने अपने 12 बोर्ड का एग्जाम दिया। मैंने अपनी इकोनॉमिक्स की पढ़ाई उसी दौरान केवल 8 से 10 दिनों के लिए की और 12 में अच्छा मार्क्स स्कोर कर 80% लिया है। उसके बाद मैंने सोचा एडमिशन कहाँ लिया जाए। मैंने BHU का बुक लिया एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के लिए, बट कोविड सिचुएशन की वजह से मैं फॉर्म फिल भी नहीं किया और मैंने सीमेज को सेलेक्ट किया। मैंने गूगल पे बहुत मैम एंड व्हेन I was search about the best college for BCA or other courses after the arts stream, then I got BCA, BBA and many other courses, but I select BCA because I have a little bit knowledge about computers, so I select CMES because of that CMES have a good placements and better environment and faculties. And then I came Patna on 2nd July को मैंने सीमेज में एडमिशन लिया बोरिंग रोड ब्रांच एंड दैट आई टुक बिहार स्टूडेंट क्रेडिट कार्ड and I start my bridge course on 14th September. And my greatest achievement in CMH college, that Subrato, my best friend, and it starts with a single line, भाई तेरे साइकिल के टायर का हवा कम है, in front of High Court पटना। मैंने उसे आते हुए देखा और पता नहीं क्यों उसके पास सीमेज का बैग था। मैंने कहा भाई, मतलब मुझे लगा कि सीमेज का है तो भाई, मैंने कहा भाई तेरे टायर में हवा कम है। उसने कहा कोई बात नहीं, अकेले में मैनेज हो जाता है। और वहीं से हमारी बॉन्डिंग स्टार्ट हुई और वो मेरा 2021 का सबसे अच्छा अचीवमेंट है। फियर मुझे किसी बात का है नहीं, आई डोंट हैव एनी फियर, आई एम फियरलेस बिकॉज आई एम ऑलवेज ट्रू एंड आई नेवर टेल अ लाई। एंड व्हाट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट रिग्रेट यू हैव? आपने तो कुछ किया जो कि नहीं करना चाहिए। Yes, ma'am.
भाई झूठ नहीं बोलते हो तुम।
I have a regret. That was I shared a photo of a faculty.
ये बात डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है।
हजमोला ले लो। Then मेरे पास बस वही रिग्रेट है कि मैंने वो फैकल्टी ये मैम अननेसेसरी थिंग से दूर रहना, सोशल मीडिया में ज्यादा एक्टिव होना और गाली नहीं देना। And next I want to call from girls side, call number 92, please come.
Hello friends, my name is Shreya Sarma.
Remove your mask and say first.
Hello friends, my name is Shreya Sarma and today I stand here to experience in my life. 2021 is not good of my life because of pandemic and my family problem also. My greatest achievement, I decided to learn properly in every day. Greatest fear or regrets of 2021. My greatest fear, my regrets of 2021, क्योंकि मैं अच्छे से टाइम को यूज नहीं कर सकी थी, इसलिए. Your resolution is 2021. मेरा resolution यही है कि मैं आने वाले साल को अच्छे से टाइम को यूज कर सकूं और अच्छे तरीके से उसको प्रॉपर्ली यूज कर सकूं पढ़ाई में और किसी और चीज में.
और सबको हैप्पी न्यू ईयर विश करें.
और सबको हैप्पी न्यू ईयर विश करें. I call 43 roll number.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, very happy New Year to all of you. As of now, we are here to express our experience on the past year, I should say 2021. I would say it was not a great year for me, but and I hope for making 2022 a great year for me. The year started with the dilemma of CBSE results, exams, and all that. We are all familiar with that. And I think more than half of the time of 2021 passed in the confusion of 2021 results of CBSE boards. And then after, there was a big confusion for me to decide a graduation course. I would say I wasted a lot of time to do that, and I finally decided to do BCA, and then I chose CIMES for that because I have to be in Bihar only, so I chose CIMES as it is, we all know it is the best for BCA. And greatest achievement of 2021, I finally decided a career line for me. This is the biggest achievement for me for this last year. And greatest fear, I did not utilize my time in a good manner in 2021, and I hope for doing so in 2022. And next to it, I think that's all for today. Thank you all.
Resolution? Your resolution for 2022?
Making the best out of every day. I'd like to call Preet, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Preet Raj. As you all know that today we are here to share our experience of the past year, that is 2021, and I'm also here with you. My year 2021 was so surprising and shocking. Many unpredicted things happened to me. In starting of 2021, I started my study with a mind that I will crack JEE mains and advance. But just because of COVID-19 pandemic, things didn't go like I wanted them to go. My greatest achievement in 2021 was that I took admission in CMAs for my BCA course, and I really decided that what I wanted to do in my future. Here I found the best teacher and made my many friends in CMAs college, which is really a blissful for me. My greatest fear in 2021 was that to get infected with COVID-19 virus. And one more thing regarding which I was very faithful for my study. And my resolution for 2022 year is that I will make my 2022 more better by studying and being more careful for everything, especially for my study. Thank you. I'd like to call Rohit.
Hello, good evening class. I am Rohit Raj and today I stand here to share my year 2021 in front of you. My year 2021 was so unexpected. In starting, I just got fear of my examination of intermediate board because last year I think I studied very little for my examination. But whenever my examination comes near, I just bought a guest paper and read that. And by fortunate, I got a good marks in my intermediate exam. After that, I just relaxed and joined a computer course named KYP. There, I get interested in computer. There, in front of me, there is two ways. First, due to COVID, my study was ruined totally. And from there, I just need to select any one subject. There, my physics, my chemistry, all subjects were ruined due to COVID because I didn't study. Then there I joined computer class and there I got interested in computer. That's why I select BCA for my career. After that, I just searched or I just pressurized for searching the college. There, then I just got an ads in newspaper about CMED, and then I came here in Patna at my mama's house to attend a party. But there, my father said that let's went and visit CMED there, and then after I got admission, and whenever I just start to class at CMED, I got so many friends, and I think that's why that is my better friend till now. That's all. Second, my greatest achievement. I am a very shy student, and at CMED, I just make my first blog with my blessing friend Mirnal, and then after together with them I just feel free, and after that I just live like a freedom. My biggest fear of 2021 is to playing game. मीन्स मेरा सबसे बड़ा फियर ये था 2021 में कि मेरा पबजी मतलब मुझे गेम खेलने का आदत लगा होता और मुझे लग रहा था कि ये गेम मेरा कभी नहीं छूटेगा, लेकिन सोशल मीडिया इसको छोड़ने के लिए मैं सोशल मीडिया यूज किया और मुझे रिग्रेट ये है कि मेरा पबजी गेम ही सही था और सोशल मीडिया बेकार था. बट and my resolution for 2022 is that I use laptop more than the mobile because I think mobile can devour more time. Second, don't waste my time at night period. Try to wake up in the morning and don't use vulgar words. At last, Happy New Year to all. That's all. Thank you. I want to call Subroto for next.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Subroto, and today I'm standing here to share my experience of 2021. As we all know that this year 2021 was remembered by everyone. This is the very dangerous and pandemic situation in 2021. I enjoyed, I studied, and I done lots of fun in 2021. I found many best friends, many friends which makes a strong bond, from whom which I am makes a strong bond, like Shivam, Rohit, Saurabh Darshan, Shwam Gopal Srivastav, and more. My greatest achievement of 2021 that I clear my 12th boards in this pandemic because I couldn't study, and I found lot of friends, and some friends are like brother from another mother, and my greatest fear in 2021 about my future, और एक ये भी डर था कि कहीं कोविड ना हो जाए, और my regret of 2021 is that मेरे को मेरी soulmate नहीं मिली. My resolution of 2022 was I want to make a strong bond with my friends, study hard and work smarter. Thank you. Now I want to call Sandhya.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sandhya standing in front of you. Today, I'm here to speak and share my overview. The year 2021 was so surprising. Means there is a lot of unwanted things happen. Means that is beyond expectation. But overall, the ending is not so bad. I made so many friends in my college and very fortunate to attend classes offline, which is not possible for our seniors. My greatest achievement is standing in front of you, lively, with proper health conditions. And also I'm blessed to get admission in the best college and having bond with new people, which is totally unexpected at that time. Greatest fear is having COVID in society, which maybe affect my family and also me. And also of not getting admission due to my mistake as date of admission of and as closing and starting date of admission. I'm not aware of that. Regret is that I'm so fool that I'm not aware of regarding any starting and closing date of college. That's why I wasted so many months in getting admission in that college. My plan is to get more attentive in everything and trying to aware towards current affairs, trying to be on time, not wasting time because I have to make my career, which is only possible by studying hard. Thank you and wishing you a happy new year. And I like to call Saurabh Darshan.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Saurabh Darshan, and I am here to share my views on experience on year 2021. It's all started with ups and downs. That, as you all know, that the pandemic situation, for that, उसके कारण हमारी जो एजुकेशन थे ऑनलाइन मोड में शिफ्ट हुआ, जो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था हमारे लिए, सबके लिए डिफिकल्ट था कि कैसे उसे समझा जाए, क्योंकि अभी तक जितने भी हम लोग के चल रहे थे क्लासेस ऑफलाइन मोड से होता था और अचानक से लास्ट मोमेंट पे क्लास 12 के जब चेंज हुआ पेंडेमिक मोड में आया तो थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हुआ उसे समझने में, बट उसे हैंडल करना बहुत हैंडल किया हमने। और मेरे लिए ग्रेटेस्ट अचीवमेंट्स है आप लोग, क्योंकि जब मैं पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन के टाइम था तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा मतलब एक होता डिप्रेस की बोल सकते, मैं बहुत ज्यादा मतलब एक कॉर्नर में आइसोलेटेड हो गया था बहुत ज्यादा। तो मेरे को लगता था कि क्या मेरे पुराने फ्रेंड्स जो हैं जिनसे बातचीत बहुत कम होती थी तो वो तो दूर हो ही रहे थे, साथ में क्या नए फ्रेंड बनेंगे। जब मैं सीमेज आया तो आप लोगों ने जो मुझे एक्सेप्ट किया वो मेरा बहुत मतलब मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा मोटिवेशन मिला, जो मेरा ग्रेटेस्ट अचीवमेंट है इस ईयर का। और अगर रिग्रेट की बात की जाए तो इस साल मैंने नीट एग्जामिनेशन दिया बट मैं अच्छे से प्रिपेयर नहीं किया था और लगता है कि ऐसे मेरा 485 मार्क्स आया। अगर मैं थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करता, थोड़े अच्छे से टाइम स्पेंड करता और बढ़िया से करता तो मे बी 650 क्रॉस कर जाता और शायद मैं किसी मेडिकल कॉलेज में होता। बट कोई नहीं, मेरा रिजोल्यूशन ये है कि नेक्स्ट ईयर या मेरे को नीट क्वालिफाई करना है फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट। अगर बाय चांस वो नहीं होता है तो बीसीए को बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ना और इसे बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना है। और जितने हर दिन को एक रूटीन जो मैंने फॉलो नहीं किया पेंडेमिक के टाइम, बहुत ज्यादा रूटीन ब्रेक होता था, कभी सो रहा हूँ मतलब वेगा बाउंड था पूरी लाइफ को, उसे असेंबल करना है और एक परफेक्ट पाथ पे चलाना है और अपने कैरियर को बढ़िया बनाना है। थैंक यू। I would like to call Ria.
Good afternoon. Today I am standing here to share my experience regarding past year. This year 2021 was not so good, not so bad. It was simply good. And this year, due to lockdown, I feel boring most of time. But when I take admission in college, I feel easy and I make a lots of my new friends. My greatest achievement is today I am here standing in front of you all with my proper good health. And especially I'm not a part of COVID-19. Easily, my plan went into two. I spent this year in very joyful manner. I learned lots of things, leaving peace and happy. Thank you. I would like to call Pankaj.
Good afternoon to all. This is Pankaj Kumar. As you all know that today I am standing here before you all to share all my ups and downs of 2021. So the year 2021 was not as good as I expected. It was just less good than 2020. And the most important thing that I want to share that the pandemic time of 2020 was very fearful and painful for me. And it was the time when I became very sick because of due to viral fever. Even that time, most of the medical shops were closed as per the instructions given by the government. So I was unable to visit the doctor because of fear of getting affected by COVID. But fortunately, my cousin brother, who is an MBBS, treated me and finally I got very well and fit. I got admission in Simej College in August 2021 and there was a Rangoli making competition in which I with my sincere friends had taken participation, and I with my friends had participated just for having fun, not for winning the competition. But I don't know how we won the competition and it was unbelievable for me and also for my good friends. So my resolution for 2022, I would like to share with you all that I want to do everything in right position at the right time. This is the resolution. Thank you. That's all. And I would like to call Shivangi.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Shivangi, and I'm here to share my experience about 2021. It's been a year of ups and downs and major decision making for me. All I can say this year has been little good for me also because I spend a lot of time with my family, which I love. Greatest achievement is that इतने बड़े pandemic के बाद भी I'm still alive and safe. Fear is all about pandemic. And regret, I was wasted my half of the year by pursuing BSc, which was not my field of interest or choice, I say. Your resolution is I will do my best in my study. Thank you.
Hey, hello, keep quiet. And today's last presentation.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Shiv Chaudhary, here to present my thoughts about the 2021. So, the year 2021 was not very well for me because I have got admission in a very reputed college of Pune, but due to my financial income, I was not able to join there. So, but I have taken admission in CMH College, what I think that मेरे लिए सबसे अच्छा हुआ कि मैंने पटना में एक अच्छे कॉलेज में एडमिशन लिया and for my greatest achievement that I learned how to save money, and my fear and regrets are that मैंने कभी मेडिकल एग्जाम के लिए अच्छे से तैयारी नहीं किया, जिसके वजह से मैंने एग्जाम का अटेंड ही नहीं किया. And the resolution is I want to see my mom as the happiest person in the world because मेरी माँ हमेशा मेरे लिए मेरे साथ खड़े रहती है. Thank you.